Hey everyone, it's Carrie with a pinch of salt, and today I'm going to show you our June subscription box. This month we are doing a 4th of July slash Christmas in July theme box. So we have a USA Home of the Brave sign with Merry Christmas that will fit on the back of your sign. So you get your 5 paint colors, your sponges, your white paint marker, your glue, and all the pieces that you'll need to create this kit. You can follow my theme if you'd like, or you could add your own colors in. Obviously, I use latex paint because I buy it by the gallons, but you can use your acrylic paints, or if you have paints left over from the months prior, you can always add those colors in too. So I painted all the pieces. You know, I love to use painter's tape to hold my little pieces down. You can also use like the cardboard that comes on the back of your kit. Um, as like something to paint on so that you're not making a mess at your table or anything. I think I forgot cardboard in 2 of my boxes this month. Now that I think about it, now that I'm saying it out loud, I forgot to add the cardboard back in. I got busy wrapping them and forgot to put the cardboard on the back of those. So I apologize. So you have all these colors to choose from. You, like I said, you don't have to stick with my theme. I do like to put paint sometimes on the sign, sometimes I put it on the back. It just depends. Remember, you're using super glue, so you do not need a whole lot. Just a little dot makes a lot. I did realize that I made a mistake on the Christmas sign, though. Flip it over. Don't use the side that says Christmas because for some reason it's not lining up. So I just flipped the little whiteboard over and then glued the Christmas onto that. It doesn't really make any difference. So just a little mess up that happened. I did include a white paint pin this time though, so that you can add your polka dots in, little lines. I like to accent some of the pieces. I love to do polka dots on some of the lettering. And then I did that on the USA Home of the Brave sign as well.